Yes sir, yes sir. As you guys read from the title, this is the backyard special wing on the FD2 trunk. Top of the trash where it belongs. Nah, I'm playing. I just brought it over here because the lighting is nice over here, so it's kind of dark in the shop. OEM FD2 trunk with an authentic backyard special FD2 spoiler. So yeah, I'm excited. Let's put in some work and install it on my orange car. It came in the up garage box, but I had it in my 8th gen right here, so it didn't fit because this wing kind of hangs out a couple inches each side, so I had to throw the box out one time. So I pushed the car forward a little bit, just enough to give me some room to work right here. I'm gonna just get to it, start by taking off this trunk line and this harness, unplug all that, and we'll go from there. Well, I got the harness, everything unplugged and over to the side. That's it. Pull these 4 bolts out, pull it out. This ain't a tutorial to be honest, but just kind of showing y'all what I'm doing. I'm about to pull these tail lights off right now since the trunk is mounted. My homeboy just said, man, there's a light right there. I didn't even realize it, but now we got all the light in the world. Yo, I need one of y'all to give me a hand, man, real quick, please. Can you stand in the middle, hold the trunk?
Are you using a non-impact shit? Yeah, I was about to say, nigga, don't put it in there.
That's just it.
We waited almost a year for that shit to get painted, nigga.
Alright, okay. Alright. I got it. Over here for now. Come on. Let's bolt this shit up one time. Alright, grab hold. Grab it that side, cuz. Alright.
The bolts in front.
The long ones. It's the same bolt. Alright. Got the harness ran back. License plate lights. These are the tail lights, obviously. Got the line all up in the latch. Ooh-wee. Yeah, that's a smooth look, people. Man, this shit right on the body line. Look at the fitment on this trunk though, y'all. Yeah, the quality is there for sure. I'll just wipe these down before I put them back on. There we go. All right, my people. Could close the trunk now and see. Ooh. See what it looks like with the tail lights. His hands is filthy. The trunk definitely needs to come down. Yep, let me know what you guys think. Backyard special wing FD2 trunk. Well, like I just told y'all, I didn't like how the trunk was a little too high, even though this car's not on the road or nothing, but see that play right there? I'm gonna put it all the way down just to see if that helps at all. It definitely helped some. It actually helped a lot. Man, that's close. What up, G? Came at the right time, bro. Straight chilling. What you think, cuz? Woo! Some different shit.
Some shit you painted the interior? I didn't even know you painted the interior. I've never seen before. That's tough. Like, that's tough. I fuck with this. No, that's perfect. Even the lemon here is pretty damn good. Oh, that's spot on. This lemon is perfect.
Yeah. Shit, like a 240.
Yeah, 240.
240 could never line up so easily like that.
See, my tail lights don't line up right now, bro.
No, never crash. It still don't line up.
No. Actually, I don't know if that's been crashed.
Well, yeah, my party people. That's pretty much the final outcome. Now we get to kick back and hang out.